second tool in professional tool category is color harmony. It's just for create a harmony between your image color. First is brilliance. It means it's actually changing the saturation of your color. It's create a rich color if you increase it, as you can see, or more washout and black and white color. You double click on a slider, you can make it 0. Warmth color, it's actually warms your all of your overall image or make it cooler. It affects all of the color. But if you reach here, a split color warms. I explain it later. Color contrast, if you increase the amount, it gives you a very high sharp color and more contrast between the color that you selected here. Nice. Don't worry about the name of the mathematical thing. Just change the slider and see what happened here. And second thing is the split color worms. It's very interesting. It's if you increase the number of the worm, it just warming the worm's color in this range of colors, or it's cool just the blue, for example, range of the color. It's split. It does not affect the worm's color. It's nice. And the color balance, you can give a balance between the color in the shadows in a cyan and red in a darker area, or magenta with green in darker area. Or for example, in a highlight in a light area, you can balance between red and cyan, or magenta and green, or yellow and blue, warmth and cool. That's it. Just change the slider and see what happened in your image. And that's it.
Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.